Good evening, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful time at the Kingfisher Ball. My name is Nick Found and I'm the Director of Specialist Support for Kingfisher and Halcyon Way schools. So much has been happening since the last Kingfisher Ball in 2019. Halcyon Way School was officially opened in January 2022 and across both schools we now have 297 children on roll. We educate children with a range of additional needs. Each child receives a varied, engaging and appropriate curriculum that celebrates individuality and personal achievement. The children across both schools are thriving in all areas of their learning and are safe, happy learners. Many years ago, as Team Kingfisher, we started fundraising for a new hydrotherapy pool, the Kingfisher Splash. This opened in 2021. Thanks to your donations, the children can now access swimming and hydrotherapy on a regular basis, and it is an amazing facility for both schools. To celebrate the Kingfisher Splash, we have been working with the children from across both schools with a graphic designer and myself to create a series of artworks. These will be displayed within the environment leading into the pool area. A collection of bespoke acrylic art panels will be created using the artist's response to the children's artwork to tell the story of Stoller Bay, a magical seascape and beach view. This project will complete the Kingfisher Splash and will celebrate your amazing contributions to this venture, so thank you from all of us. Some more exciting news for you. We are in the process of changing our charity name from Team Kingfisher to Team Triumph. Triumph meaning a great success, achievement and victory. Team Triumph is across both Kingfisher and Halcyon Way schools, so any fundraising efforts will be shared to enable us to continue to provide all the children with the best possible learning opportunities. Under Team Triumph, we are now fundraising for the Big Move. This is our new project to provide outdoor play areas and equipment to meet the needs of the children across both schools. Outdoor learning is fundamental to children's development. We believe that all children should explore and experience learning outside. Through our creative curriculum, the children have many opportunities to explore the great outdoors. We have the space, now we need to develop the areas. We are lucky to have a woodland area which is situated between both schools. In the past, this has been an incredible environment for the children to explore. Unfortunately, when Halcyon Way was being built, we had to close down the woods. The area has now become very overgrown and unsafe for the children to access. With your help, we want to get the woods back in action. We want to see all the children across both schools learning and exploring in this amazing natural environment. Please help us to make this vision a reality. In the words of the philosopher Plato, The most effective kind of education is to play amongst lovely things. Thank you, as always, for your continued support.